How do you help new students reach new heights?
Well, first I try to get to know my students, kind of get their trust. So I have to earn their respect. By the time they leave, they've become a better person, both as a student and as an individual.
Oh! You got that? I work hard to build confidence in students and inspire them to do more than they believe is possible. Always complimenting and always trying to, help students dig deeper into achieving things that they never thought was possible for themselves.
Good job.
I help students reach new heights by helping them be independent with their daily living skills.
I help my students reach new heights by helping build strong connections with them and challenging them in my classroom every day.
The principal's job is to help enable all students to reach new heights and achieve academic excellence and to develop one's character. And that's what I try to do wherever I have been a principal, especially here the last 2 years at Cuyahoga Heights.
I try to bring enthusiasm and motivate my young people each and every day in PE and health, and try to make PE class fun.
Why did you choose to work at Heights?
I chose to work at Heights because it was evident from the start that it was about the student first, and everything that the staff and community can do to help and make sure the students succeed and go farther in their education during school and after school as well.
I chose to work at Heights because this is home for me. As you always tell me, Hans, I'm a homie.
You're a homie?
I'm a homie, but I was born and raised here in this district. I went to school here in this district. I graduated from this district, and it's an honor for me to come back and serve this district.
Good job, Evan.
Back in 1994, Mr. Durazio's father offered me a coaching job, and that's why I first started. I'm really happy I decided to work here because it's a great place with great kids and great families, so it was really fortunate for me.
I'd say first, location. I was fortunate enough to be teaching in another school district, and I had an opportunity to come to Heights. It was closer to where I lived, and it was a renowned, and still is a renowned school with a great reputation.
I am an alumni of the district, and I really wanted to give back to the school that helped me with all the things I liked. If you look at any yearbook photo, you'll see me on a computer, and now I'm the IT guy here, so it pays off.
Why did I choose to work here?
Yeah.
It's a great place to be. It's one of my favorite places to be. I've been here a long time, so there's great people to work with, there's great students, there's great support from everybody around. Everybody cares about each other. I love my job. I love being here with you guys.
It's such a good school, and there's so many fun students and parents and families and great people to work with, so that's why.
Hi, Benny.